Remove the cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Connect the AC charging hose to the low pressure port. You will need to press and hold the connector and release it once you place the connector on the port. Rotate the dial on your gauge so that the arrow corresponds to the outside temperature. Keep the Freon can in the upright position. Don't tip the can to the side, as this may introduce liquid refrigerant in the AC system, which is not recommended and could lock up your AC compressor. You want to keep the can upright and rotate it between 10 and 2 o'clock as you charge the AC. This process can take several minutes. When the AC system is low on Freon, the compressor may not be engaged. As you add refrigerant, you should see the compressor kick in. As you charge the system, stop pressing the trigger every couple of minutes to obtain a pressure reading. Continue adding refrigerant until your gauge reaches in the charged range. Do not allow the system to overcharge. It is normal for the gauge to point in the high range when the engine